I have seen this monument for the longest time since I was living in the town, or since I was born. It was just a stunning structure of no importance or significance until now. I am referring to the monument in the town of Calabanga that was dedicated to the Filipino teachers in the early 1950s, just a few years after the town has settled peacefully from the effects of the last World War. Many believed it was the first in the province of Camarines Sur or perhaps in the Bicol region. Still, many who have seen the monument claimed it could be the first in the country. That observation is subject to debate and proof, of course. I used to see it up fronting the town's municipal hall building at a tiny triangular ground just outside the main entrance gate of the Catholic parish of La Porteria. It was almost at the center of the town, it seemed to me, almost equidistant from the municipal hall building, the marketplace, and the church. Our informant said it was dedicated between 1953 and 1954, or perhaps during the term of then Mayor Dominador Medrosa Sr. Medrosa was mayor of the town for about 20 years. As I do not have the complete data and only with the limited information from our relatives in the town about the monument, so here I will fill myself what transpired during the exact date of the monument's dedication. The mayor and other municipal officials may have been either the principals or sponsors of the event, or witnesses and distinguished visitors at the same time. During those olden days, I would presume an event like this was so important that town officials were expected to give utmost preference and attend the occasion. The school official at the time was Wenceslao Adupe. Either he was there as supervisor or as a representative from the school's division office. Since there was only a handful of established elementary public schools, nearby school officials, teachers, and students may have witnessed the event. The pupils too may have been encouraged to join and participate in the celebration. The occasion must have been witnessed by many residents too. It was an important event, and that particular appointed day must have been sunny, and it was unlikely done during the summer school vacation, but most highly probable while the schools were open. I just wondered if there was a parade too. I am wondering too why there is no detailed information about the monument or any plaque attached to the structure, but one can only see the markings that it was dedicated to the Filipino teachers. It could be that the proponents just forgot to place one. I also do not have the data on who the person or group of persons or association that commissioned the construction of the monument or the person that executed the final interpretation for the concept. According to our source, longtime Barrio San Pablo resident and public school teacher Miss Josefina Pining Dumalasa was the supposed model who stood as the teacher with school kids Eva Salvosa of San Antonio and Erlindo Tordilla of San Francisco. It was during the leadership of Mr. Eduardo Aguilar in the organization of public school teachers of the district that the monument was moved to a different location. The structure was placed at the intersection of Barangay San Pablo and San Francisco. It is a short walk from the parish church of La Porteria and a good viewing distance from the window of Miss Pining Dumalasa's residence. I can add a side note here that in the year of 2011, Presidential Proclamation No. 242 was issued, which specified the celebration of the National Teachers Month starting September 5th until the World Teachers' Day in October 5th. It is the longest celebration honoring more than 500,000 teachers nationwide. Back to the monument, I would say the people of the town were ahead by more than 6 decades at giving honor to the Filipino teachers. If you like this video, consider supporting this channel by subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified when we add new posts. As always, thanks for watching and see you next time!